Gabe, what are you eating? Is that a Dora ice cream?
Hey, it's
Miles, you gotta put it in your mouth. Don't hold it. Too cold.
hey, mommy. Hey.
You don't know what you think of that.
Hey, where is friend?
Oh, did some friends get ice cream too? Yeah? Are you licking it with your tongue? That looks yummy.
Hey, baby touch Gabe.
Baby touched Gabe's ice cream?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's okay. It's still okay. Are you licking it?
No.
Looks like you're licking it. Is it yummy? Is Dora yummy?
I got.
Cold ice cream?
Yeah.
Tastes like yogurt? Yeah, it could taste a little bit like yogurt. It's ice cream.
The bear.